Welcome to our channel. In our channel, we are daily posting free online courses from Udemy certificates, Google certificates, and some government certificates. So that if you need more online free courses, subscribe our channel. It is most useful to you. Okay, friends, let's start. In this video, we are going to see top 10 trending online courses. First of all, you know about importance of certificate. A certificate course from online platform is very useful in providing the exact specific knowledge you may be looking for. For example, unlike at school or college, you will not be going through loads and loads of study material that will be no use to a few years down the line. With online learning, you can keep updating your quest for learning by enrolling a fresh every now and then, which is something you cannot do with regular college courses. As for the job market, they do carry weight in the sense that they can give some extra leverages to your CV. Any HR professional is happy to see added qualification that is relevant and adds to the candidate's knowledge. Yes, these are not substitutes for regular degrees. Okay, friends, here we see the advantage and useful of online certificate courses. Let's we see the free online courses. The first course is Master Monstack by Building Complete Blog Project 2020. This course is absolutely free for hours. In description, I put the links for these courses. You can use it. It is useful for you. This course is enrolled by more than 29,000 students and 150 students are rating about 3.8 stars. So that this course is more useful to for us. The course duration is 3.5 hours and this is full-time access for us. If you want this course, click the enroll button and use this course for free in lifetime. After you watching completely this video, the certificate will be sent to your email. You can download that and use it and you add it in your resume. That is boost your resume percentage. In this course, they divided into three modules. In module 1, you can learn converting HTML CSS to React. In module 2, you can learn building backend with Node.js. In module 3, getting data from backend to React. So that friends, this course is most useful for you to learn MERN stack from basic to advanced level. The second course is Machine Learning A to Z, hands-on Python and R in data science. This course is enrolled by more than 8,000 students and the rating is more than 3.5. So that if you want this course, click the enroll button. After completing watching the video, the certification is sent to your mail, you know. And this course, we are learning about basic data visualization, advanced data visualization, leaflet maps, statistics, data manipulation, H2O package, TensorFlow package, first machine learning, artificial neural networks. So that friends, this course is most useful to learn machine learning from basic to advanced. The next course is Deep Learning for Beginners Neural Networks in our studio. This course is enrolled by more than 59,000 students and the course rating is 4.3 rating and above. After watching this course, the certificate will be sent to your mail. And then in this course, you will learn about setting up RStudio and R Crash course. Next, single cells, perceptron and sigma neutron. And then neural network, stacking cells to create network. Important concepts, common interview questions, standard model parameters, practical test, TensorFlow and Keras, R dataset for classification problem, R building and a training model. This is a very trending topic. You must enroll this course and study. The next course is the Complete SQL Course 2020. Become a MySQL Master. This course duration is 2.5 hours. In this course, you will learn about getting started with databases, constraints, SQL functions, SQL classes, alters, all about joins and SQL relations, wildcards, more advanced areas of SQL. So that friends, this course is more useful to learn complete SQL course. It is updated from 2020 so that it is useful for to you. The next course is software development in Python, a practical approach. This course duration is 9 hours and in this course you can learn about installation, the path, hands-on PyQt, the basics, the layouts, the views, the control types and communicate resources and etc. The next course is Data Science and Business Analytics course. This course is enrolled by about 30,000 students and the rating is 4 so that this course is more useful for us. This course duration is 8 hours, and in this course you can learn about analytics, about R installation, entering and reading data, data import and export, operators in R, data types and data structure, handling package in R, subsetting data in R, descriptive statistics, apply family in R, aggregate and table command. The next course is Git Basics, Commits, Code Merges, GitHub Repository. And this course duration is only 2.5 years. This course is enrolled by about 1,900 students. In this course, you learn about introduction to Git, installation, create first GitHub repository, working with your repository, and Git merge. The next course is Master Wi-Fi Ethical Hacking, Evil Twin Attacks Complete. This course is enrolled by more than 29,000 students and the rating is 4.3. The course duration is only 3.5 hours and you can get 20 downloadable resources from this course. And in this course, you can learn about introduction, installing Kali Linux on a laptop, connecting to the internet, setting up source list for installing additional programs, intro to Kali Linux desktop, intro to Kali Linux command line, setting up a practice access point, intro to evil twin attacks, capturing passwords using evil twin attacks, and air down evil twin attacks using Flexion. The next course is AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate Exam 2020. In this course, you get 4 practice tests, and this is full-time access, and you can access in mobile also. The last question is Skillshare for beginners, fast tracking training, and this course is scheduled by above 1,800 students, and this course is for 1 hour, and one downloadable resource is attached to this course. And in this course, you can learn about introduction, consider using Skillshare, Skillshare account setup, creating course content, editing your course videos, creating a promotional video, making a reference on student engagement, conclusion, bonus structure, and a new product list. Okay, fine friends. Here we saw about top 10 courses in online today. All the course links are given in the description. You can see that and click that fast and enroll the courses. Hope you guys this course is more useful for you. Like this, if you want more online courses, in description and given in Telegram link, join in Telegram and get more online free courses. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.